Hi, I'm Madonna from boysandgirlshairstyles.com. Today I have Whitney, and she is going to do bridal pictures today. So, what I have done is I've curled her hair. I'm going to show you this. I've curled all of this with my curling wand. And what I'm going to do now is, you can see I've just taken this top section, so it's not that much up here. And I haven't curled this, so what I'm going to do with this is just take sections, and I'm going to wrap this. Just wrap that whole top. She's just wanting this top part pulled back. Okay, so just kind of make that big. Then I'm just going to take some bobby pins and I'm going to bring this back. I'm just going to leave some of this out because I'm going to curl that. But as far as like this top, just pull it back to where it looks good. And then I'm just going to take the bobby pins and push into that hair. Okay, and then I'm just going to take this back, leave some of this out so we can curl. Okay, and wherever you like it, you know, however big you want that, just pull it back as tight as you want or as loose as you want. Okay. All right, now I'm just going to turn her around before I curl that. I'm just going to turn her around and show you guys how I'm putting these bobby pins in. I just brought it in this way, and I'm going to take my bobby pin, I'm going to stick it this way, and then go the opposite way that I stuck it in. Okay, so you can see, you know, there's a couple of bobby pins right there, and I'm going to curl this, obviously, because it hasn't been curled. But then you can set your flower or whatever, or the veil there. Okay. Now I'm going to take the curling wand and I'm going to take this hair and I'm going to just set this with the big side up here and then just bring that hair around. Okay, and then this back. Again, I'm just going to set that top part and just curl this. And that steam you see is just the product. What I have sprayed on Whitney's hair, it's from Scruples and it's a styling, a thermal setting spray. So it acts as a hairspray. It holds it like that, but it's not sticky. It's really soft, so anyway, just take that hair, curl that. And then if it's still feeling a little bit loose, you can put some more bobby pins in. Just kind of ask them, have them move their head around. Okay, so that back's good. Now I'm going to come to this side. And we're just going to do a loose curl here. I'm going to bring the big part up top, and then I'm going to wrap, whoops, sorry. I'm going to wrap that hair around this way. Sorry, I'm trying not to get in the way of the video camera. Okay, so just wrap it around that way. Okay. All right, now, I think that's pretty good. I'm going to spray this. And I'm going to turn her around and you can see the curls. And then, like I said, you can put the veil here or whatever. Oh my goodness, I missed this big straight piece. Sorry. Just wrap that around. There we go. So just set your veil in there or your flower or whatever you have for your wedding right there. And then that is Whitney's updo.